This video will demonstrate how to connect your Etsy store with 4Seller. Step 1. Access the Etsy Shop Authorization page. Enter 4Seller, navigate to Shop Manage in the settings, and then click on the Etsy icon to proceed to the Etsy Shop Authorization page. Step 2. Fill in the shop name and select the site. On the Etsy Shop Authorization page, customize the shop name, which is the name of the shop being managed on 4Seller. Select the corresponding country for the site. Currently, 4Seller only supports the US site, and then click Connect. Step 3. Log in to your Etsy account. The page will redirect to the Etsy login interface. Fill in your account username and password, and then click Login. Step 4. Successful shop authorization. After successfully logging in, click Allow to complete the shop authorization. After the shop authorization is successful, you can check the authorization status on 4Seller. Activated indicates that the shop authorization has been completed, allowing you to perform operations such as online product synchronization, order processing, inventory synchronization, and more through 4Seller. Note, if you need to authorize 2 or more Etsy shops, please log out of the authorized shop account on Etsy after successful authorization, then log in to the new Etsy shop and proceed to authorize it on 4Seller. That concludes our introduction on how to connect your Etsy store with 4Seller. Send us a 5-star review screenshot from Shopify, TikTok, or Google, and we'll increase the number of AI-generated free trials time. Direct message our support team to claim. There are more details and examples available within 4Seller Online Help Center. If this resonates, leave a comment, and feel free to follow for more useful and latest sharing. See you in the next video.